Hey folks, my name's Lucas Underwood with L&N Performance Automotive Repair. Hey, what you're about to watch is a very simple explanation of how our after-hours drop-off and after-hours pickup works. It's very simple to use, but I just want to make a quick video to show you how it works. You know, there's been lots of times in the past that I've gone somewhere, such as a hotel, and I walk through the door and nobody's there to greet me. I don't know where to go and I don't know what to do. We don't ever want you to feel that way here, so we're going to make sure you know exactly where to go, exactly how everything works. So don't hesitate. You have questions, you have concerns, we're here to help. 828-266-9077. I'll also put across the bottom of the video a little note where you can text us, and we get those messages 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you're dropping your vehicle off or you're picking it up after hours and you need some help, don't hesitate. Reach out. We're here to help you, okay? So we're just going to walk you through this very simple process. And again, my name's Lucas Underwood, and I look forward to working with you very soon. We really do appreciate you choosing us for your automotive repair needs. After making your initial appointment, you'll receive an email that looks a lot like this. It's very simple. Click on the link, and from the link you can view exactly what we have priced as far as services and testing may be for your vehicle during this visit. You can add notes, and then at the bottom you can click Approve Estimate, read over the terms of service, click the checkbox, and click Confirm Estimate Approval. When you arrive, find any parking spot in front of our facility, remove the keys from the ignition of the vehicle, step out of the vehicle, lock the vehicle, and head up to the second floor of our facility. When you arrive at the second floor of our facility, next to the drink machines, you'll find an after-hours drop box. Remove an envelope from that drop box. Put your name and contact information on the envelope. Select any services you may have forgotten to mention and sign at the bottom. Now make sure you remove anything like house keys from your car keys. Drop your keys into the envelope and then place the envelope in the very upper level of the drop box. Push it all the way back and your key will be nice and secure. As soon as we've had a chance to evaluate the vehicle, we'll send over an evaluation that looks like this. You'll be able to see all of your contact information, the mileage on your vehicle, your service rider, and the technician working on the vehicle. You'll also be able to click on the safety and repair issues. These are things that need to be addressed immediately. You can click on the photos. It's like you're in the bay with the technician. You can see his notes and all of his documentation, his recommendations. You can click on the arrows or hover over top of them to see exactly what it was that he was concerned about. You can also see maintenance and cosmetic issues. These are things that are coming up soon or should be done to help maintain the vehicle and ensure it has a long life. You can also see the things that are doing really well with the vehicle. At the end, you'll be able to see the tire evaluation. This shows you your tire tread depth, any wear concerns, anything like tire pressures. It's all documented here. We'll begin by calling and discussing the evaluation with you. Once that's complete, we'll create an estimate with your concerns and the highest priority items at the very top of the recommendations and the lowest priorities at the very bottom. We'll send that estimate over via email just like the previous estimate. From here you can view notes. You can actually see what the warranties are with associated services and why we're recommending those services. You can approve repairs right from this estimate. Now please note, tax is not included on these estimates, so make sure you add that to your calculations. You can also decline repairs from here and post additional notes if need be. Once you've chosen the repairs to be completed this service, our staff will begin acquiring the required parts to make the repairs needed. Once the repairs are completed, a member of our staff will be in contact to let you know the repairs are completed, and will also send over an invoice via email. Just like the previous invoices, you'll be able to click on the link. Once you click on the link, you'll be able to see the repairs that were completed and any notes that the technician had for you in regards to your car. Click the checkout button, enter all of the required information, and click the Submit Secure Payment button to pay online. Once the payment's received, a member of our staff will be in contact to let you know exactly how to pick up your vehicle. the staff member will provide you with the combination to the lockbox to retrieve your keys. Now please note this lockbox is directly to the right of where you dropped your keys off up on the wall, so it's right next to the night drop box. From here, it's as simple as going to the box with your name on it. Enter the combination given. You'll be able to retrieve your keys from the box, make your way to your vehicle, and you'll find your warranty information and your invoice copy in the vehicle. Folks, as always, we appreciate you being part of the L&N Performance Auto Repair family, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.